As chef de partie, you will be responsible for one section in the galley and for the preparation and distribution of all daily meals, including the setup of the breakfast buffet according to the food manual. You will assist with the loading and checking of ship supplies and with taking a galley inventory. You will be co-responsible for the proper storing of all food and galley supplies and stock, for the correct handling and storing of all food stock, cleaning products and all equipment in the food department, and for impeccable cleanliness, hygiene and tidiness in the galley area. You will be required to participate in the onboard training program, and your regular presence will be required in the restaurant at the buffets. Working on board a cruise ship requires dedication, responsibility, and hard work. However, the rewards are many, and those who choose to join us enjoy a special time working in a unique atmosphere. We look forward to welcoming you on board.